Do I have to like? Do I straight give him like fish and he's nice to me? Cause cats like fish, right? Like, yo, Katuka's trying to FaceTime. Hello? He called me back. What is that? What is that? Guys, what the heck? Yo, that's Katuka. Hello?
I know how it's all gonna end.
Hello?
It's a game of cat and mouse. You're the mouse.
No.
And you're gonna run.
No, don't catch me, please.
Scream. They always scream.
Yo, what is that? What is that? Hey, Katuka, please.
You tried to hide, but I am gonna get ya.
Hey, no, none of that. Leave me alone. No. Hey, none of that. What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing?
Hey, what's up? Can you hear me?
Hi, missed you.
You sent me a message first, yeah? I live in Smethwick, Birmingham. If you want to fucking brawl, come down Smethwick, ask for Danny G. I'll come out
With this feature, you'll be able to communicate with friends and family while playing a game.